Abang! Tabon, don't run. Just walk.
Transform and roll out. Get one toy with every Happy Meal. Collect them all now. Loveless Pet Shop toys are also available.
Another new. There's Dora. Ay, ba't wala pa yung ano, ilaw? There's the ilaw. Ba't sira na yung isa? There's Dora.
It's Lola.
It's Mama's collection. There, a lot of Doras from the US.
That's why right here's the...
Oh, there's Ate Cecil over there. Oh, she's really pretty. Kamukha niya din si Tommy, no?
Yeah.
Ano ko yan?
Gift.
Gift ko sa niya. And this are the labahan. Talagang lahat yung labahan eh.
Akin ang tita mo.
Puro labahan yung ano. Laman ng kwarto niya.
Papakain.
Ay, yung panty ko.
Ah!
Yan. Yan ang kwarto ni Ate Cecil.
Arote, bakit?
There you go. Dalabahan.
There's your
Tambak.
favorite, ano.
Here's Hannah Montana. Pillow. From kanino galing?
That's her favorite doll.
Sino?
The violet one.
Sino nga?
That one.
Si Tita po? Oo.
Nice. So shiny.
Ayan. Super dami ang labahan. Ayan. Nalaban na yung kay Bombom. Ayun yung ano, binigay ng manliligaw ko.
Cebu?
Oo. Nagpunta siya sa ano. Alam ko bandang Bore eh.
Grabe naman.
Bore, hindi naman Cebu yan, no?
Bakit Cebu?
Grabe, ang daming labahan. Tapos ang dami ring dolls, tambak.
What tita po, you know.
Tapos ito pa, from Disneyland, doon nakaano lang.
Of course, di na magkasya dyan.
Ariel, oh.